Welcome to our video. Have you ever wondered how an air fryer works its magic, creating crispy, delicious meals with minimal oil? Let's unravel the secrets behind this popular kitchen appliance. At the heart of an air fryer's operation is the technology of rapid air circulation. When you turn on the air fryer, it begins heating up a coil situated above the food chamber. This coil generates heat, similar to an electric oven's element. But here's the twist. A fan positioned above the coil kicks in, propelling hot air around the food at high speed. This hot air envelops the food, ensuring an even distribution of heat on all sides. The beauty of the air fryer lies in its ability to mimic the actions of deep frying using air rather than oil. Traditional frying involves submerging food in hot oil, which can lead to high fat content. However, the air fryer's efficient air circulation quickly cooks the food, giving it that coveted crispy texture with minimal oil, often just a tablespoon. This results in significantly lower fat content compared to conventional frying. An added feature is the perforated basket or tray in which the food sits. This basket allows for optimal airflow, ensuring that the hot air circulates thoroughly around the food. The design not only ensures even cooking, but also lets excess fat and oil drip away, further reducing the dish's overall fat content. Additionally, the temperature and timer settings play a crucial role. Most air fryers allow you to set precise temperatures and cooking times, giving you control over how your food is cooked. The cooking chamber is insulated to maintain heat, making the process energy efficient. So, whether you're making fries, chicken wings, or even baked goods, the air fryer can handle it. Its versatility allows for a wide range of recipes, all with the benefits of faster cooking times and healthier results. This makes it a must-have gadget for those looking to enjoy fried foods without the guilt. And there you have it, a brief glimpse into how air fryers work. If you're considering buying one or already have one in your kitchen, this knowledge might just make your culinary adventures even more exciting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more insights into your favorite kitchen gadgets. Until next time, have a wonderful day.